And in business, the Lagos Country Club has called on the private sector to deepen investment in local manufacturing to tackle inflation challenges and unfavorable policies, and urged the federal government to fix structural bottlenecks such as high energy tariffs and chronic power shortages. In lectures delivered at the forum, the LCC asked the private sector to emulate Dangote Industries' investments as an example and help fight inflation. This formed the basis of the conversation at the LCC's Business Forum 2.0 held in Lagos, with the theme Inflation, Cost of Living and Consumer Purchasing Power, Adaptive Strategies for Nigerians. Chairman of the Alliance for Economic Research and Ethnic, Mr. Dele Oye, said the private sector's resilience had driven Nigeria's economic stability in recent months and not government policies.
To beat inflation in Nigeria and make Nigeria competitive, the government should not rely alone on monetary policies. It needs to solve all structural issues that increases the cost of doing business in Nigeria. And that in itself will enable the private sector to play its role and change Nigeria for better. The Dangote experience is already an example that has brought macroeconomic stability. Government needs to encourage more Dangotes to produce and create wealth, generate employment, and make Nigeria a better place to do business.
By getting power right, after power is rolled, then all other things will follow. No matter what we do, if energy is not there, we might not get inflation in the long term correctly. We've seen some distortion in prices, which I believe can be corrected. But supply side is very key, such that we combat things that are making supply side to be inconsistent. Another thing is insecurity. Whatever help we need to help us tame insecurity or reduce level of insecurity in Nigeria, we need to go for those now, because they have implication in the pocket, how much you pay for school fees.